Welcome to Minute Profinet. The topic of edge computing has gained much attention in recent years. The concept revolves around analyzing and acting on data locally in addition to in the cloud. For many, edge computing is simply an extension of the processing already handled by the PLC today. And what is a PLC anyhow but a ruggedized, specialized computer? It is the most common use case. The PLC acts as a controller to field devices below it and as a connector to the cloud above. If such computing should be done elsewhere, dedicated edge gateways exist to facilitate connections to the cloud outside the PLC. Other use cases involve utilizing non-traditional data inputs, for example, from the cloud. The most important part is how those connections are made. Within PI, we've created companion specifications mapping Profinet to OPC UA. So no matter where the edge is, moving the relevant data from field to edge to cloud and back is as transparent as possible.